Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Iotex price prediction and Iotex news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Iotex in 2022. Starting in 2017 as an open source project, Iotex has grown into a decentralized platform that empowers open economies for machines. It is an open ecosystem where humans and machines can interact with guaranteed trust, free will, and properly designed economic incentives. With a global team of over 40 scientists and engineers, Iotex has built its EVM-compatible blockchain from the ground up using the innovative role-pose consensus mechanism. The launch of the main network with over 100 delegates worldwide took place in April 2019. To date, the network has processed more than 10 million transactions. On top of the Iotex blockchain, key infrastructure blocks have been created to communicate with Ethereum, BSC and Hiko blockchains. The founders of Iotex are Roland Kai, Kevin Guo, Xingxin Fan, and Jing Sun. So let's start with the most important news of the past days. Iotex co-founder urges crypto investors to hot limit market conditions. The market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year, says Iotex co-founder Dr. Roland Kai. As the market dips over escalating tensions in Eastern Europe, Dr. Roland Kai, the co-founder and CEO of blockchain network Iotex, is urging crypto investors to hold on to their crypto. The Russian army recently started its advance on Ukraine, firing missiles on the second largest European country. Following this, crypto markets took a nosedive, with all the top coins dropping between 8% and 18%, according to Cointelegraph Markets Pro. However, despite the current market conditions, Kai tells holders to think twice before selling their digital assets. Kai told Cointelegraph that, while it's not impossible for Bitcoin (BTC) to fall below $10,000 and Ethereum (ETH) to fall below $800, the market could easily reach new all-time highs by the end of the year. He explained, "I would certainly not encourage investors to sell their crypto now, in the hopes of buying back at a cheaper price, as the reality is no one knows when we will reach the bottom, and when the market will rally again." While Kai's general sentiments are bullish, he identified factors that could drive the crypto market prices further down. The Iotex co-founder says that the Russian invasion, combined with rising interest rates and the prospect of new COVID-19 variants, could all affect the market negatively in the short term. Additionally, tensions between Russia and Ukraine, in addition to other geopolitical and trade tensions, should be monitored, as they can unnerve institutional and retail investors, and lead to huge price changes, due to reduced risk appetite. Place has cumulatively moved assets exceeding $10 billion, less than 6 months after crossing the $1 billion market. Meanwhile, the significance of NFTs in various sectors is there to be seen so much that the number of organic searches related to the new blockchain subsector grew to exceed crypto for the first time in history. This unprecedented growth would likely spill to 2022, but with NFTs finding solid applications. NFTs are used to store images that can represent real-world assets, effectively linking the physical world with innumerable opportunities presented by the blockchain, while also concurrently introducing a new twist to tokenization. Although NFTs permeate gaming, art, and e-commerce, their features can also find immense use in real estate. Introducing SumaTex. This is precisely why SumaTex wants to explore and benefit users. The spice in SumaTex is the pride of owning real-world assets invested by the fund and represented as NFTs on the Iotex blockchain. Besides fractional ownership of prime real estate, SumaTex is also changing how NFTs are valued. Ordinarily, NFTs are determined by market forces of supply and demand. However, in SumaTex, the value of all minted, on-chain NFTs will be directly determined by SumaTex's portfolio, comprising high-value real estate set to earn consistent revenue from tenancy agreements. As a result, the higher their portfolio, measured in assets under management is, the more valuable their NFTs are. The special edition NFT by SumaTex allows the holder to earn dividends drawn from the firm's profits, while the API of the fund NFT is tied to his fund pool. Since the firm plans to only purchase undervalued assets and mint NFTs from them, allowing fractional ownership, the first batch of limited NFTs sold out in less than 7 minutes. This has proven that the community has a strong belief on SumaTex, which generated the overwhelming demand. The inevitable tokenization of traditional finance assets and instruments opting for real estate wasn't by accident. Well, according to tradition, at the end of the video, are modest analytical forecasts about this cryptocurrency. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in IOTX, or whether Iotex will survive in the next few years are unknown. Iotex is currently worth $0.074 United States dollars with a hefty capitalization, making it rated 96 on the list of the most valuable coins. IOTX price prediction 2022. For a long-term Iotex price forecast, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average IOTX price will rise to around $0.100 by 2022 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2022, the year may end with a maximum price of 11 cents with a minimum price $0.096 level. IOTX price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of IOTX will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 17 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 14 cents with a maximum price of 17 cents for 2023. IOTX rate prediction 2024. IOTX will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the IOTX rate will hit new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2024, the IOTX rate will be almost 20 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 24 cents. IOTX average price forecast for the end of 2024 could be around 20 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. IOTX could cross 35 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 31 cents. IOTX price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, IOTX prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be 47 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that the IOTX maximum price could be up to 52 cents in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. IOTX price prediction 2027. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for IOTX will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2027 may end with an average rate of 66 cents and a minimum rate of 64 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 78 cents. IOTX rate prediction 2028. The value of IOTX will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. IOTX is expected to top out at $1.11 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of IOTX will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of IOTX will be between 92 cents and 96 cents, expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of IOTX ranges from 92 cents to $1.11 for 2028.